Alright, moving along, part 2 of the video. Again, there's nothing, no high-end inserts here. It's just a classic box break. So, no autos or no jersey cards. Kenny Anderson, Isaiah Ryder, Victor Alexander. Starting to stick. Jeff Malone, PJ Brown, BJ Armstrong, another Jeff Malone, Sean Elliott, Kenny Gaddison, Dale Davis, Doug West, Adam Keefe, Clarence Weatherspoon, Purvis Hollison, Sharon Wright, Brian Russell, Michael Adams, Stacey Augmon, Elliott, Eddie Jones, Kemba Mutombo, Reggie Miller, Chris Dudley. Nothing. Let's get a bottom. Isaiah Ryder, Monty Williams, Mahmoud Abdul-Rauf, Kemba Mutombo, George Morrison, PJ Brown, Lonzo Mourning, Vin Baker. Nothing. I think that's the worst box I've ever opened. Del Curry. This is the regular version of the Pan for Gold that I got. I mean, not Pan for Gold, the Power Boosters. Way cooler. Hubert Davis. Is that Jason Kidd? Jason Kidd. Nick Anderson, Kemba Mutombo, Kelly Reeves, PJ Brown, David Benoit. Wow, the way they put out the cards together is really crappy. Shaquille O'Neal, David Robinson, Latrell Sprewell, Charles Barkley, David Robinson, Charles Barkley, Glenn Robinson, Sean Kemp, Derek Coleman, and Dale Davis. Stockton, Patrick Ewing, David Robinson, nada. Drexler, Robinson, I'm gonna have to speed it up. Oh, there you go, Grant Hill base card. PC. Patrick Ewing, Lee Mayberry, Patrick Ewing again. You gotta be kidding me. Gary Payton. Dennis Rodman. Another insert. Dennis Rodman. Dennis Rodman. 3 Dennis Rodmans in a pack. Is there a Jordan Panthers Gold? I wonder. Tyrone Hill. Another active leader. Michael Jordan. PC. Nate McMillan. Sean Elliott. David Robinson. Another Nate McMillan. Karl Malone. And nada. 2 Jordans. I'll take it. Oops. Shaquille O'Neal. Kenny Anderson. Wow, so many doubles. NBA Draft Redemption, 17 of 29. What do I get? Special player. Huh. Whatever, it's way expired. Williams, Rod Strickland, Starks, Brown, nada. Looking at 10 more packs. Wow. Mutombo, Anthony Avent. Nothing. Dennis Rodman. I can probably complete this whole active leaders subset. Another one. Kenny Anderson, B.J. Armstrong, D. Brown, Sean Elliott, Shaquille O'Neal, Mark Price. So what's the difference? Active leader, rebounding leaders. Huh. John Stockton, Nate McMillan, Patrick Ewing, Penny Hardaway. Good old Penny. Too bad his career was ruined. So is Grant Hill. I think Grant Hill and Penny would have been one of the top players today if it wasn't for their injuries. Jamal Mashburn, Campbell. Hey, another Jordan. David Robinson, Hakeem Olajuwon, Patrick Ewing. Nada. Down to last 5. Malone, Corey Blount, Scottie Pips, Jeff Malone, Jeff Hornacek, Billy Owens. Roy Tarpley, Jamal Mashburn, Lonzo Mourning, nothing. Scottie Pippen, active leaders. Dikembe, sorry. David Robinson, Glenn Robinson, Glenn Rice, Karl Malone. Oh, Jordan base. Oh. Doug West. Oh. Down goes my phone. Nothing. Pippen base. Probably have 10 of them. Olajuwon base. Dikembe. Last pack. Do I get a Jordan base? Chris Mullin, Sam Perkins, Brian Russell, I get one of these. Pan for gold, Antonio Davis, Charles Barkley, Prue Richardson, Jamal Mashburn, Scott Brooks, Eric Mobley, J.R. Reed, John Stockton, and Abdul Rauf. So, cards all over the place. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Thanks, guys.